HostWin's review. This host has a distinctly unimpressive website, but great products and a 60-day money-back guarantee make HostWin's likely to be worth the risk. Not decided which type of website hosting you need? HostWin's does its best to help by offering you every possible option: shared, business, vBulletin, reseller, VPS, dedicated, budget Linux, premium Linux, Windows and more. The basic plan starts at $3.29 a month on an annual subscription and comes with a surprising number of features. These include unlimited bandwidth, disk space, email accounts, databases and subdomains. There's also cPanel access, Weebly Site Builder, Softaculous one-click installs, nightly backups and a free dedicated IP address. Basic accounts are limited to one domain each. HostWin's for $3.50 per month. With such a powerful starter plan, there's nowhere for the rest of the shared hosting range to go. The advanced package weighs in at $4.23 per month when paid annually. It offers all the basic plan has to offer but with 4 domains instead of 1. You can sign up for HostWin's here. The top-tier Ultimate plan, which HostWin's market at their best seller, starts at $5.17 per month when paid annually. This adds unlimited domains and places you on a server with fewer accounts. Although web application hosting is listed on the website, there's no managed WordPress or e-commerce plan, just a link to the standard hosting accounts. If you need more resources, VPS subscriptions start at $4.49 a month for an unmanaged Linux server with 1 CPU, 1 GB of RAM and 30 GB of disk space. Dedicated server plans start from $106 a month. Although there aren't many server types, they're all reasonably customizable.